I love my team and I don't want to be implementing a whole bunch of AI that's going to be automating their job. So I have to lay people off. They've been with me for a long time. Our culture is like a big family. How do I avoid implementing AI that is going to lay off employees that I care about? Great question. The first stage you and your employees will love. And that stage could be anywhere from 3 years to 10 years. I am an accelerationist. I think this is going to be more like 3 to 5 years. And that's where you use AI to automate processes and elevate your team so that they can do a lot more with less. That stage is like all about mass efficiency, 10xing your team so that everyone on your team can output 10 times more with the same amount of resources. Like if you go to 90% automation of your marketing team, for example, they can now do 10 times more things without hiring any more people. You don't have to lay them off because you're suddenly 90% more efficient. You can scale your business and you can elevate their roles. Now, where things get scary and there's job losses, if you don't have a culture of learning adaptability, like people are going to have to find new roles. If you were, say, a marketing content producer, you're probably not going to be producing content for much longer if you haven't already stopped doing that. You're going to be overseeing AI agents that will do that for you. You'll be doing quality assurance. You'll be doing strategy. You might be taking on new jobs within the organization that appear out of nowhere. But you're probably not going to be sitting there writing long form blog copy for much longer, right? So the challenge is if you have people that are stuck in these sort of administrative roles that you love and you care about, they're not willing to learn and adapt, those roles can disappear very quickly. So I think letting everybody know that you care, letting them know how things are changing and setting them up for success, providing the education and the training, that's really important. Automating things piece by piece, quick, easy wins. Like ask them, sit down with an employee and say, what are the things about your job that you hate the most that I can automate for you that will make you happy so that you can build that change management culture from within? That can be incredibly powerful, and they can really start getting excited about AI when they see this as this partner and this companion that can help them do more and drop the shit they don't like and do more of the stuff that they do like and provide more value to the organization. That's really useful. But I do think that in the medium term, even in the short to medium term, there is going to be significant layoffs happening for people that are stuck within companies that are rapidly evolving and changing, but they can't keep up to that rate of change. And you'll be doing them and your company a major disservice to hold on to them. So there is going to be a lot of job movement in the next 1 to 5 years. So I think it's probably not in your company's best interest to say, how do I hold on to everybody? But how do I build a culture of success that gives everyone the best chance of joining us on this exciting journey that comes next?